Okay, 6D. So this is the third unit, unit 3, a healthy diet. Here you learn about food groups and food categories. Here they are. Food groups, the biggest portion belongs to energy giving food, and the second biggest one is protective food that has vitamins and minerals, and the third one is bodybuilding food that has proteins or calcium, and the last one is food with high fats and sugar. Okay. And there are also food groups, food categories. They are raw food, preserved food, tinned food, dairy food, or junk food. You know what they are, right? Okay, now continue on. Now, number 21, blah, blah, and blah are examples of food and drinks that are not only bodybuilding food, but also dairy food. So you know what they are, right? Okay, I want to go to, is Aliasa here? No, Antasena? No, Aretra? Yes. Let's go to Aretra. Number 21, dear.
So when it is uncomfortable, we use it for the to be. Ya Kak? Remember that. There is some orange juice in the jar. The three of you can have it all. Okay.
Aretra, have you answered it yet?
What about number 8?
No.
What about number 8?
Oh, no. So what do you think it is? Dairy food
Milk.
and also bodybuilding food. Milk, what else?
I just write one.
Oh, there's only one. There is milk. What else, 6D?
Milk, cheese,
Cheese.
Milk, cheese, and yogurt. Yogurt, right? Milk, cheese, yogurt. Yeah, they are examples of food or drinks that are not only bodybuilding food, but also dairy food. Why are they bodybuilding? Because they contain calcium, which is very good for your bones and teeth. Yeah. Why are they dairy food? Because they are made of milk. They are from cows. Number 22. 22. What is 22? Number 22. Jasmine. Is Jasmine here? No. Sasha. Number 22, please.
because they contain minerals and vitamins, or vitamins and minerals.
Yes, that's right. Fruit and vegetables are protective food because they contain vitamins and minerals that protect our body from illnesses. Well then. What about potato and cereal? What are they?
Bodybuilding.
Energy giving food.
Energy giving.
Energy giving food. What do they contain?
Carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates. Yes. What about fish and chicken?
Bodybuilding food.
Bodybuilding. They contain
Calcium.
Proteins.
proteins. They contain proteins. What about broccoli and bananas?
Protective foods.
Protective. Yes. Well done. Okay. Number 23. Let's go to Farhan. Farhan, which food groups have bigger portions than bodybuilding food? How many food groups are there? There are 2. There are
Oh,
two, right, that are
yeah,
bigger
yeah.
than
There's two.
bodybuilding. What are they?
Energetic and protective.
You're giving it away. Where is Farhan? Oh, Farhan is gone. Okay, fine. Yeah, just like Rafa said, it's energy giving food and protective food. Yeah, from the biggest is energy giving food. Below that, there is protective food. And after that, body building food. And the last is food with fats and sugar. Okay, thank you, Rafa. Next, Fatan. Write the names of the fat. I mean the categories. What food categories do they belong to?
The first picture is raw food.
Raw food. Yes. The second one,
Preserved food.
preserved food, and the last one,
Tin food.
yes, that's right. This is raw food. This is salad. This is preserved food. You can see that there are some preserved tomatoes. I'm not sure what they are. Lemon peel, red onion, pickles. I'm not sure what they are, yeah, but they are preserved food. That's how you naturally preserve them, right? You put them in a jar and put some, I don't know, maybe some acid in the jar to preserve them. I'm not sure how to do it, but yeah, they usually do. They usually make preserved food naturally by doing this. Okay, and the last one is tin food. Food in tins, right? Okay, any questions about this? Now, if you
Oh,
like, if you like dairy food and also tin food, what kind of food would you like to eat?
Rafadia, can you please read the grammar in the slide? Yeah, grammar text.
Okay, I'll give you some choice. Yeah, do you eat salad? Would you choose salad?
What, miss?
If you like dairy food and tin food, would you choose salad? Maybe not, yeah.
I don't do. Lalu, lalu. I don't know in English what it is.
Okay, would you choose some pasta with cream cheese?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
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 And would you choose some rice with sardines on top as a
Yeah.
side dish? Yes. That's when you like, that's if you like dairy food and tin food. Yeah. Okay, next. The second topic in unit 3. One, ones, other, and others. I think this is still very fresh in your memory, yeah? Do I have to explain it again? No?
No, not really.
Not really. Okay, now number 25. I want to go to Hanif.
Yes, miss.
Number 25, please.
There are two keys on the table. The blue one is for my suitcase, and the black one for my safe.
Yes, that's right. There are two keys on the table. The blue one is for my suitcase, and the black one is for my safe. One. Yeah. Well done, Hanif. Next, number 26. Lenka.
I have three sisters, brothers in Jakarta, and the others live in Bandung
Why the others?
There is two
because
people.
there's two more people.
Yeah, there are two more. Yeah. We only talk about one here, and there are still two more left because there are three sisters. So it means the answer is others. Okay, good, Lanka. Next, let's go to my love. Is my love here? Audrey?
One. Yeah, we talk
Audrey
about
is not here. Rafaris Karel, number 27.
items that are not
These are my love. The other ones are my sister.
The other ones, why ones?
There is two gloves, right?
good.
Yeah, there are two. How do you know that there are two?
Kan ada dua pasang. I don't know in English.
English, dear.
I don't know what in English is.
You know.
And the next
There is two.
is the
There is two pasang.
How do you know that there are two pairs?
Oh. In a glove, there is two pairs.
One pair, right? They always
Yeah.
come in pairs. Okay. And there is a clue here, R. Right? It means that there is
Is two.
more than one. Okay, so there are two gloves. Okay. Any questions? 60?
No.
One wants other others. Now, next is each other and one another. Oh, this is so easy. But some of you still make mistakes here. Okay. Remember, each other is for two. Yeah.
One
Each
another
other
is for 3 or more.
Yeah, that's right. Each other is for two and one another is for three or more or unknown. Yeah. If it is unknown, then it's better to use one another. Okay, what about number 8? People must be number 28. People must be kind
One
to
another.
Rafid.
yeah,
I wanna hear from Rafid. What do you
People
think?
must be kind to one another
Why is it one another, Rafid?
the second
because it's more than two people.
How do you know that there is more than two? There are more than two.
Okay. I don't know. Um,
I know.
Because yeah, you don't know. But when we talk about people, it's usually more than two, more than three, more than yeah. When we talk about people, when we use the word people, the connotation is there must be a lot of people, like a lot of human, right? Yeah. Okay. The answer is one another. Number 29. Let's go to Diandra.
So nice to have a twins. We help each other with our homework.
Yeah, we help each other with our homework. So what if there are two, I mean, not twin sister, but what if they are triplets?
One another.
Yeah, one another, because
There is more than two.
yeah, the person has two
Three.
of them, two sisters, two similar sisters besides her or him. Yeah, besides herself. Okay, good. Next, number 30, we go to Namira.
yeah, please.
Nam,
Yeah, so usually starters
Namira,
are served
Namira is gone. Rania, is Rania here?
Yes.
Video please, Rania.
Okay, as the result,
Okay, that's better.
What number?
Number 30, dear.
so
Okay. All the students are assigned to comment on um each other's homework and each other's work.
How many students are there?
so very
All the students.
All the students, can it be only two?
No.
true that connector
There is S.
No, right? Yeah, it can be the whole class, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
PTM. One is PTM.
What if at the end, what if there are only like Fatan and Hanif or Fatan and Raska there? Okay, but all the students, when we talk about all the students, our mind goes to a class with full of students, right? And if you're not sure how many people are involved, you need to use one another. Okay, so what is what's the answer here? One another.
One
Because
another.
we're not sure how many people are involved. Yes, it can be two, but it can also be three or more. But it is most likely more than two.
More than two.
Mm-mm. Okay, any questions?
No.
No? Don't forget, yeah. Each
Yeah.
other is for two only. One
No.
another is for three
More than
or
two.
more or unknown, yeah. Okay. Next, unit 4, a healthy life.
No.
It's the part where you need to write as fast as you can. Now, you memorize this yourself, yeah. It's the same with the ones that you have in the daily test review. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, fill in the gaps. Name the places to the sports below. I want to go to Rakila. What are they, Rakila?
Ring,
Ring.
gym,
This one is a gym. And this one is a
stadium or field,
stadium. And this
court.
a court. Yes. Okay, good. This is a ring, a gym, a stadium, and a court. What do you do in a ring?
I skate.
You ice skate. What do you do at the gym?
What do you mean?
Exercise.
Exercise.
Yeah, what do you do in a stadium? Wait. No, that's wrong. What do you do on a track?
Athletics.
Oh,
You do athletic.
athlete.
What do you do on a field?
Football.
Football or
Soccer.
Baseball.
baseball? What do you do on a court?
Itu tennis, basket,
Tennis, basketball,
badminton,
Yes, tennis, basketball, badminton.
volley,
Okay, volleyball. Okay, good. Next. Nah, there is a mistake here. There is a typo. Alwi is putting her helmet, bat, and gloves. Yeah, not bat again. Why is it bat and bat? In her backpack. Okay, now I want to ask Raska Darenza.
Okay.
What
What sports are they going to do? Ismail is putting on his track shoes. Sprinting,
is going to do at
athletics,
athletics? Yes. What about Rafa?
basketball,
Basketball. And Alwi?
baseball.
Baseball. That's right. Based on the equipment that they are preparing, yeah, you know what sport they are going to do. Yeah, 60.
yes,
Well done, Raska. Next, Rumai, number 33. We need a net to play.
Listening.
Yeah.
We need a net to play basketball, football, or badminton.
Basketball,
it's not. It's not.
Or badminton.
football, or badminton. Okay. Net on the goal, net
It's
for
tennis,
the
badminton,
goal,
and volley. Or volley.
and net for the hoop, yeah, for basketball.
Yeah.
Yeah. And for badminton, the net in the middle of the court, right?
Yes.
What about the others?
Volley.
volleyball.
volleyball,
What else?
tennis, I guess.
Tennis. Yes. What else?
There's like the mini badminton thing.
Mini badminton.
Oh, itu meja
Oh, table tennis.
table tennis.
Ping pong.
Table tennis. Yeah. Wait,
What else?
I don't know.
Yeah. Those sorts of sports, yeah, need a net to play. Okay, well done, 6D. Now number 34. Sashi Kirana.
Yuk, rasakan kenapa dia.
Nah, where is Sashi? She's gone.
Yuk.
Okay, Sierra.
I don't like
I'm so tired. I've just got home from exercising in the gym.
Yes.
Running on the
answer that.
running on the
What do you run on? What kind of machine?
treadmill.
Treadmill, yes. The exercise machine when you can run on is a treadmill. Do you have a treadmill at home?
No.
No? I would like to have one.
Yes.
Yes, you do? Do you
Yes.
do you use it every day?
Yes.
Oh yeah, Rafid likes to exercise, yeah. Okay, any questions about this? This is what you need to memorize yourself, yeah. Next, both and besides L as well as. Okay, Alhamdulillah, so many of you got the questions correctly, yeah. The answers correctly when you need to join two sentences with both and. The Lion King and the Barney. Do you still remember the Bernie? Yeah, Bernie the dolphin. Nah, most of you got it correctly. Alhamdulillah. I'm so glad. And almost all of you got it correctly for the one that is with as well as. It means that you have understood this very well, yeah, 60, yeah. Okay, I want to ask you again now. What is the first step? The first step is to find the differences in the two sentences. Underline the differences. Yeah.
Cross the same word.
Second step is to cross out all the same words in the second sentences. Yeah, and the second sentence, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Join it.
And
in
after that,
both
join. Yeah, put the differences together and use both and as well as or besides. And
Join
that's right. Where do you put both? Just before?
before the first difference.
Yeah, just before the first difference. Where do you put as well as?
After the first difference.
After
Between the difference and
Yes, that's right, Rafa. After the first difference and between the differences. And where do you put besides?
in the first sentence and the first
Besides is always at the beginning of the sentence,
sentence.
followed by the second difference. The first, sorry.
The first.
Followed by the first difference. Besides and then the first difference. Okay, now number 35. Yes, it. Fill in the gaps with both and as well as or besides also or besides too.
There was a gym cell, so I made the rock bot, both a blue and a black pair.
Yes, that's right. Both a blue and a black hair. Well done. Yes, that's right. The differences are blue and black, and the
Black.
others are the same. Okay. And number 36. Zufar, is Zufar here? I don't think Zufar is here, but Zufarsha is here, right? Zufarsha, number 36.
I'm coming to Oxford this weekend. Uh, uh, as well as visiting my grandmother.
Nah, as well as is never at the beginning of the sentence. Why? Because
So-
they
It's besides.
because as well as is always between the differences. Yeah, so it cannot be in the at the beginning of the sentence. So what can be at the beginning of the sentence here?
Beside.
Besides
Besides,
visiting my
yeah.
grandmother, I want to visit some colleges. Both.
Two.
Oh.
Yeah, I want to visit
Oh.
some colleges too. Yeah, you can also use to instead of also. Yeah, same meaning. Same meaning. Besides visiting my grandmother, I also want to visit some colleges. If you already use also, you cannot use to. But if you already, yes, and it goes the other wise too. If you already have used to at the end of the sentence, you cannot use also. You can choose either. Can be also, can be to. Next. Okay, thank you, Sufarsha. Yeah, number 37. Nah, this one is the one with long sentences. Now, many Indians can speak Hindi. Many Indians can speak Tamil. Join the sentence together with both and. Aretra. Back to the top.
Many Indians can speak both Hindi and Tamil.
Yes, many Indians can speak both Hindi and Tamil. Yes, that's the differences.
Okay, what's number 27?
Let's cross this out, and what you get is many Indians can speak Hindi and Tamil. So we have this. Well done, Areta. Next,
Yeah,
Atala,
good. I have a friend.
as well as.
What about number 28?
Bentar, Miss. Baca dulu. Many Indians can speak Hindi as well as Tamil.
Yes, many Indians can speak Hindi as well as Tamil. That's easy, right? Atala? Okay, well done.
Yeah, Miss.
Number, no, the one with besides. I want to go to Sasha.
Okay, what about number 29?
Sha?
Yeah, number 29.
Sasha?
Again. Is this the house? Where
Sasha?
Four. Very good. And number
Sha?
30.
Sasha is not responding, guys. Okay, let's ask Fatan.
Besides Hindi, many Indians also speak Tamil.
Many Indians can also speak Tamil. Yes, besides Hindi, after besides is the first difference, which is Hindi. Many Indians can also speak Tamil. Okay, if you want to use also, use it here. But if you want to use to, you use it at the end of the sentence.
I have also.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, copy that 6D.
Done.
Done? Are you done copying that? Oh yeah, at the end of the, not at the end of the session, but after school, maybe around 2, you will get, inshallah, the recording of our meeting. Oh, and also the answer key and also the PowerPoint. But I'm using the previous post, yeah. So just check your classwork in the
Done, Miss.
English folder. I'm not going to make a new post, but I'm just going to use the previous post about the about the review. Yeah. So please check the previous post. Check your classwork and check the previous post. Next, the third topic and the last topic. So that in order to and so as to. Okay, when we join the sentences together using so that, we goes to, what you write after so that is the whole second sentence, yeah, 60. But when you use in order to or so as to, you go straight to the first one in the second sentence. You skip the we can, you skip the you should, you skip the what else? You can, you skip the I can, etc. Okay, you go straight to the first one.
Okay, take your time.
Next, let's fill in the gaps with so that, in order to, or so as to. Let's go to Hanif, number 38, Hanif.
Here, yeah, okay, you want to take some
We need to watch our colors confusion.
or you want to go to the toilet? Okay.
I
You
have
want to lay
do
down
it,
for
Miss.
about 5 minutes?
What do you think the answer is?
Yeah, lay down first is okay. Yeah.
We need to watch our calorie consumption, blah, blah. Is it so that? Is it in order to or so as
So
to?
as to.
Oh, you like math. Okay.
What do you see here? There is we can have a balanced diet. Nah, we can see a full sentence, right? After the gap, right? Starting from the subject until the last word of the second sentence. So if we can see the whole second sentence, not only start from the verb, then you need to use so. So.
So as to.
So that, dear, if
Oh
you
yeah,
can
so
see
that.
if you can see the whole second sentence, use so that. But just like number 39 here, but if what you see after the blank is a verb one, what do you use 6D?
In order to.
In order to or
So as to.
yes, in order to or so as to. They are the same. Yeah, you can use them interchangeably. You can choose either one. Okay. So it's like this. This is the subject of the second sentence. This is the verb one of the second sentence. Yeah.
Can it be so as to as well?
Can be so as to as well.
In order to, but I wrote in order.
Yeah.
Not yet. 11.
Okay, now let's join the sentences 60. You should do regular exercise. You can have better sleeps. Go to after Hanif, there is Lenka. Lenka, so that Lenka. You should do regular exercise. Len?
Mommy, you should do regular exercise so that you can have better sleep.
Yes, that's right. So that you can have better sleeps. As easy as that. Just put so that in the middle without changing anything, right? That's right. As easy as that. Okay, thank you, Lenka. Now B. So as to. Rafa.
You should do the size so as to. What is? I forgot what the.
So as to.
You should do regular exercise so as to can have better sleep.
You need to skip a can.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You should do regular exercise so as to have better sleep.
Yes, you skip you and you skip can. You go straight to the third one. Straight to the third one here. Yeah. Remember that do not use can. Okay. You should do regular exercise so as to have better sleeps. You cannot use can. Cannot ever use can. Okay. After so as to cannot be can. That goes for this one too. Number, not number, yeah, but C, in order to. Let's go to Rafid Hanafian.
You should do regular exercises in order to have better sleep.
Yeah, same as so as to. You should do regular exercise in order to have better sleeps. Well done, 60. Copy that. Yeah, copy everything.
I already did.
All right, 60. There are some of you who has to do, wait. Yeah, there are some of you who has to do the remedial test for the daily test. Yeah, but 6D, since yes, I still haven't done the daily test yet, we cannot do it tomorrow. Inshallah, we do it after the English final test, which is on Wednesday next week. Yeah, Wednesday next week. The problems are the same, but I'm not giving you any feedbacks. When I return the test paper, I'm not giving you the feedback. You should study the problems yourself. Find the result. Find the answers yourself. Okay. Nah, it's already 11, guys. Can I take this down? Yes.
Yes, you can. Yes.
Okay. Guys, remember, don't forget the assignments. Do not forget the assignments. I'll give you a chance until Friday. Yeah. So you must complete all the assignments before Saturday. Yeah. If you don't complete all the assignments, I'm sorry. I have to give you the minimum score for the assignments, and it's not good for you when you have the minimum score, right? Okay, 6D, if you still have questions, you can contact me at my number. That is all for today. Let's say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Rabbil Alamin. Good luck on your final test ya, 6D. Allahu Akbar.